For months and months, I found myself stuck in tutorial mode. If any of you has ever tried to start building online, you might be familiar with tutorial mode. Tutorial mode is when you do a lot of studying and you think that studying is getting you somewhere, and you think that studying is a high leverage moving task, and it's really deceiving because it can feel like you're progressing in life. But what is taking place is that you're not embodying the things that you're learning. You're learning tactics and skills and shortcuts and tips and tricks. But until you live those and until your body starts to recognize those tasks as a part of you, you're not really making any progress at all, because your brain could only hold so much gigabytes of data. Until it's programmed and wired into the body, a lot of the tutorials and learning that you are absorbing don't do you any good. And a lot of times I was fearing failure, so I would never start. I would never start building. I would never start the speaking to camera. I would never start posting because I always wanted it to be perfect. So this was a repeat cycle for months and months, until I decided to simplify the tasks, and then I started to execute on some actionable frictionless tasks and allowed my body to integrate and to wire this as my reality. If anybody's at level 1 or on this journey of wanting to build a life around your gifts and your talents, and you want to interweave intuitive knowledge or spirituality in that, feel free to reach out. I'm currently inviting people into my Heart-Led Creator community. And for the people who do me the honor and join my community, I've been reaching out to them individually and providing support to them one-on-one.